Please activate the subtitles.
My name is Rodger Koller and this video is going to be very quick. This is the first episode of a series of videos named Change Your Accent with me. But before we start, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel, because if you do that, you'll be granted access to the PDF files for my free English course here on YouTube and to our group on Telegram, so that you'll be able to practice your English with voice messages and text messages. I really want this video to be quick, therefore without any further ado, let's get started. As I said, this is the first episode of a series of videos in which I'll teach you how to speak with any specific accent. I'm planning to make videos about how to speak with the American, the British, the Canadian, the Australian accents. However, depending on the number of likes and views, I might go into this topic even deeper and talk about specific accents like the Californian accent or the accents from a specific city such as Manchester, London, Sydney, so on and so forth. So please don't forget to hit the like button. This is the only way to know whether you like it, whether you like this sort of content, or whether I should stop or whether I should keep making videos like this one. This is the first episode and I think I'm actually insane because I'll do something that some of my friends told me not to do, because in this video, I'll teach you the ultimate technique for you to master any accent that you choose. Yes, you've heard me. After watching this video, this only video, you'll be able to learn how to speak with any accent that you've chosen. My friends told me to keep these videos for the last episode. Nevertheless, I'm not a patient person and I don't like holding back knowledge. So get a pen and paper, because from this moment on, I'll teach you the ultimate technique to learn any accent. So the first step is think of a person whose English you look up to. Someone whose English you admire. So think of someone you really admire as an English speaker. So this is the first step. Think of a person who you would like to speak like. Okay, I'm not going to choose a person. I'm going to ask my subscribers to choose a person so that I can use him or her as an example here. I'll go right now to our group on Telegram and I'll ask them to tell me one person whose English they admire, whose English they look up to. Okay, but the problem is that it's 2:30 AM right now. Well, there are about 600 people in our group on Telegram right now, so I believe that at least one person is awake. So I'll do that. I'll ask that in the group and I'll be back as soon as possible, as soon as someone replies to my question. Okay, it was easier than I thought. Many people are awake and chatting in the group right now. Oh, if you haven't joined our group on Telegram yet, take a look in the description of the video in order to know how to do that. In the group, you can actually practice your English. You'll only really master English from the moment you start communicating with other people, and this is a great opportunity for you, so please join our group on Telegram. You won't have to pay for it. Just check in the description of the video how to do that. So I asked in the group for a name of a person whose English they looked up to, and the first person who answered my question was a girl. And she said, Shawn Mendes. Alright, I'm going to do that then. I'm going to use him as an example. So this is the first step. Choose a person. And we've done that. We've chosen Shawn Mendes. The second step is go to YouTube and search for this person's interview. I like interviews because this is our opportunity to listen to the person's real accent as opposed to when they're performing, singing or acting. When they are at interviews, they speak naturally the way they normally do on a daily basis, and that's what we're looking for. The third step is download this video and turn it into MP3. And this is how I do it. I just add a double S before the word YouTube. And then I download it. After that, I use a program named Format Factory in order to turn the video that I've just downloaded into MP3. If you don't know how to do that, just look for me in our group on Telegram and I'll teach you how to do this part more carefully. The fourth step is listen to this MP3 for as many times as possible. While you are on the bus, on the train, driving to work, wherever you are, taking a shower, listen to this interview a lot, a whole day, for 2 days in a row if possible. The fifth step is go back to YouTube and watch this interview again, but this time you're going to slow the video down just like this.
To realize that like nobody nowadays goes, I just like pop or I just like rap music, you know?
to the slowest speed. Now this is the tricky part. You're going to repeat what he's saying right after him. You will almost try to speak simultaneously with him. You're going to try to repeat what he's saying syllable by syllable, little by little, imitating his way of saying things. So he says something and you repeat what he's saying immediately after him, like a fraction of a second after him. It'll be easy because he'll be speaking really slowly.
So with that being said,
he sounds just like my drunk uncle, and that's exactly what we're looking for. You do that many times. Each time you do that, you speed up the video a little bit, up to the moment that you reach the normal speed of the video.
I took that to heart and I really just let myself create music that I thought was good, and I didn't think about genre. So when it comes to songs like In My Blood, which is more rock influenced, and then you go to Lost in Japan, which is on the other side of the map in like an R&B sense, I really just, my thing was to make good music and to not...
And you repeat everything he's saying right after him with the video at the normal speed. The secret is never pause the video, and it's okay to miss some words. No problem if you can't really say every little word. It's not really important. The important is that you try to imitate the way he's speaking, the way he's saying things. Do that as many times as you can. Remember, no pain, no gain. Okay, now after you get tired of this interview, do the same thing all over again with a different one. And Shawn Mendes is Canadian, so now we know that you like the Canadian accent. After having done that many times with the person you've picked, you can pick another person from the same nationality, because you're going to practice one specific accent, remember. So if you've chosen a person with a British accent, keep choosing people with British accents. If you've chosen a person with an American accent, keep choosing people with American accents. In our situation, we've chosen Shawn Mendes, so we've got to think of other Canadian people. For example, Alanis Morissette, Avril Lavigne, Justin Bieber, Jim Carrey, so on and so forth, and we'll do the same process again from the start. If you do it for 6 months, I guarantee that you'll be speaking just like a Canadian person. You speak with a Canadian accent for sure. You can do it with any accent, give it a try. It was just the first video of the series Change Your Accent with me. I'll bring you more techniques that you can use in order to change your accent if you want to change your accent. And as I said before, it's not really important to change your accent. I don't think you should do that, but if you want to do that, this is a very fun way to do that, and I think it's a nice process. In the next video, I'll talk about a specific accent that you can learn. I'll probably start with the American accent, but I'm not sure yet. Please leave a comment down below telling me which accent you want me to start this series with, whether the American, the British, or the Australian accent, and I'll certainly do that for you. If you're a basic student, I suggest that you start doing this kind of exercise with videos that have subtitles in English. In this case, I recommend that you start doing this kind of exercise with my videos, because all of my videos have subtitles in English, in Portuguese, and in many other languages. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, like our page on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Please join our group on Telegram and practice English with voice messages and text messages. If you sympathize with my channel, please become a patron. Just click on the first link in the description of the video and become a patron. Thank you very much for everything, and I'll see you next class.